For today's video, mga ka-CH, nandito tayo sa Avida Vermosa and we're gonna show you this model unit. So mga ka-CH, ito yung Macy unit S3. Ito yung magiging harap nyo. Ito yung magiging design. Then we have one parking. Then ito yung papuntang sa front door nyo. So this is your front door. Ayan. Front door. Pasok tayo sa Macy S3 unit. Ayan. As you can see, your living area. Yan yung living area nyo. Pwede kayo mag-set ng TV dyan. So we got two windows dito, ayan, to give you a natural light during the daytime. And then sala set nandito na rin. Pwede na for the whole family bonding together. Ayan. Maupo ka dito watching TV. Ayan, maganda na. Then pwede nyo i-design like this. Pwede nyo rin ibahin yung ceiling. Ito lang yung design niya, pero pwede nyo siyang baguhin. Anything you want. So, ito na yung living area nyo. Pupunta na tayo sa dining area. Ayan. Let's go. We got window right here. And this is your dining area. We got this sliding door and it gives you natural light. And malaki siya. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-ilaw. And this dining area, pwede siya for 6 packs. We go to the kitchen area. Refrigerator right here. Pwede nyo ilagay. And then the sink. We got the cooktop and the range hood. Yan. Pwede nyo iset like this. Tapos may ano din siya, window. Right here. Yan. Habang nagluluto ka, kitang-kita mo yung niluluto mo. Kasi may window tayo here. And yan, sa tabi ng kitchen area nyo, may space pa for laundry. Lagyan nyo dyan yung washing machine. Pwede din dirty kitchen right here. So let's go back to the unit. In this area, this dining area, meron tayong mirror. Malaking mirror. Pwede nyo palagyan ng ganito. Ang ganda nyo. 3 mirror. Tapos nandyan yung ano natin, yung split type aircon. Then after this area sa ground floor, meron tayong 1 toilet and bath. So sa toilet and bath, we got the shower set. Ayan, meron tayong sink, may bowl, and this mirror, pwede siyang iset ng ganito. Alright. Now, close natin to. So under your stair, pwede nyong lagyan ng mga cabinets to maximize the space. Meron pa tayo mini compartment dito. Ayan o. Lagay nyo yung mga gamit nyo dyan. And yun, tapos na yung ground floor. And we going to the second floor. Ito yung stair nyo going to the second floor. Yan. So on the second floor, we got 3 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath. So sa stair nyo, may 2 windows. And ang ganda nung Avida eh. Marami siyang window. So it give you natural light. Hindi mo na kailangan ng ilaw pagka tanghali sa umaga. Ayan. So ito yung 3 bedroom. Unahin natin yung first bedroom. So ito yung first bedroom. And for your kids, ito yung pwedeng bedroom niya. Ayan, may 1 bedroom tayo. May study table. and may cabinets with one window. Pwede nyo palagyan ng aircon right here. And ito na yung first bedroom. Then we're going to the second bedroom. So this is your second bedroom. Pwede nyo siyang i-design like this. One bedroom, then we got cabinets. Cabinets, ayan. Ang daming cabinets. And then, ito yung study table. Pwede nyo palagyan. And one window, tsaka yung aircon. So we go to the master bedroom. Tara. So this is your master bedroom. Pwede nyo i-design like this. Ito yung one bed nyo, then may windows tayo dito, 2 windows. And then pwede nyo gawin yung ganitong ceiling. Yan. We got also the cabinet in this side. Ayan. Tsaka yung aircon nyo, pwede nyo ilagay dyan. So yun. And we going to the bathroom. So we're going to the bathroom here in the second floor. We got shower set, the bowl, the sink. Same lang doon sa ground floor natin. So, ito na yung Macy S3 unit. So, ito na yung house tour niya. So, if you want this property, just contact me on this number. And please don't forget to hit like, subscribe in our YouTube channel. So, thank you for watching. See you on the next house tour.